Hey guys, so we're gonna find out how to create your Instagram shop without a third party platform. So you see here, I'm on the official Instagram website and it asks you all these questions. Fully read these instructions before you click it because these are compliance things that you really need to follow in order to set up this shop on Instagram. It's really easy. Just make sure you read what they say. So step 2 was connect to the catalog. What is a catalog? So your catalog is where all your products are going to be hosted and they're going to be assigned an ID number, and you'll be able to process that when someone buys something through Instagram. Now I'm going to the items in the catalog. Activated means people are able to see these items in your Instagram shop. And deactivated means that people are not able to see. So in order for it to appear for users and shoppers and stuff, you have to make sure that all the fields are filled out. That's what I'm basically going to be doing the next 10 minutes, is going through each and every item and making sure the URL of my website works, and also that the description is correct and that the pricing is correct, because if you don't have a third-party server like Wix or Shopify, then, or there's other ones that are compatible to, then you can't automatically update it, if that makes sense. So this way you have to do it manually. So you have to go in here and update the prices and stuff. So as of right now, I'm not selling hair and stuff anymore. So I'm deleting all the hair products that I had. And now I'm really just rebranding my company and stuff, and just, I don't want to say rebranding, but just repositioning everything. So it's going to take me some time to really get this cleaned up. But I was able to delete out all the old products. I'm going to come out with a new line of stuff. So I just need to clean up this catalog, and that's what you're basically going to watch me do. As I was doing this project, I kept running into the same error message. It says view issues. I don't know if you guys could see it, but basically it says view issues under each product that I had to fill out a field. And then in the top corner it says channels, and then in Instagram shop it says missing or incorrect data. So basically I had to go all the way back. I'm gonna show you guys, and edit every single variant in the product. It's a very tedious task. So I do recommend, if you have, a Shopify, something like that, you should definitely connect your platform if it's compatible with Instagram shops and Facebook shops. Because I had to do this like manually and it really sucked. But yeah, that's pretty much what I'm going to be doing from here as well. I'm still updating y'all. But each time you populate the fields, it should update by itself, and it won't have that red text at the bottom anymore that says variant mistake or something. So whenever you see that red dot, that means that information is missing. So I'm going in here now to the chocolate Batty Butter post. As you can see, I'm editing the price because that's the price and it was on sale before. And you can also check if it's on sale. So then you put 20. Its original price is $30. The sale price is $20 at the time, because this was around Black Friday. I recorded this. So you go back and you just make sure the prices align. And if it's on sale, make sure you check that because you can keep a record of it versus like just changing the price because you don't want to confuse yourself. You want to keep consistent pricing. But you just see me changing all of that. And yeah. So it's pretty easy, guys. And if you had to create a brand new post, you literally just press plus add item. And then you fill in all the product, the image, the description, the link back to your website, which is super important to drive people back to your website, the price, and if it's on sale, as well as the actual product name. So those are like the 6 elements that you need to create the post. It's very easy. Instagram's website pretty much lays it out for you. Once you save everything, it should automatically update. So you should be able to open your Instagram app and tag the products inside of the app. I will show you how to do this right now. Make sure you follow it. You literally just open the app. You actually, either before you post or after you post, whatever, you tag the product, and then people are able to shop it as a part of your Instagram catalog. We're almost at the end, guys. I actually shortened this video because I had about 10 more minutes of doing this, but I didn't feel like it made sense to add it. So let me know what you guys think in the comments, what kind of videos you want me to record based off product lines. Just an FYI, our website is down right now because I really am transferring to Shopify. I'll make a whole video about it. Let me know if you guys want to hear about that. I had a horror time story with Wix, but anywho, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, okay? Because you need to know about all this tea when it comes to the business side of things, guys. And leave a comment down below. Bye.